Had our webinar yesterday, did not get to go over the daily trading system results for Monday, December the 21st, so it is December the 22nd. As we take a look at this, so going over the trades for Monday, December the 21st on the 22nd, and we will take a look here, making sure I'm not missing anything. 60-minute breakout, ES. Hit its profit target at the open of the session, hit another profit target on the reversal. I like breakout trades when they're coming from a reversal perspective, and this strategy captured that move yesterday after what could be considered a Santa Claus crash. Market is just determined to go up every day and make new highs. This time of year is seasonally strong, used to getting a Santa Claus rally, but it's already run up so much. It ought to pull back technically, but they're determined to prop this thing up and make sure it looks good going into the end of the year and instill confidence. Those perma bulls, they just want to run that up, and that's what they're doing. You see Cobra 3 got short at the wrong time, minus 625 yesterday. Big gap down, continuation, and then reversal. So one of the more challenging trades. Market, we had that pandemic news yesterday. Ideally, technically the market should pull back, but since it went down on news about a new coronavirus strain in the UK, the concept is that we'll discount any bad news because it'll eventually go away, and we'll look at forward earnings and forward positive news, and the market's done that about every bit of negative bit of information, any bit of negative news has been absolutely discounted way into the future at this point. So technically it ought to pull back, but they're determined to buy these shallow dips and continue to keep this market higher. So adaptive moving average went short and then long, up a little bit on the day, plus 150 on adaptive moving average, capturing that long reversal as well. Not a lot of trades in our base strategies. Asia 4 long was stopped out at the in that session, carried that trade Sunday night, and was stopped out minus 1,025 on that trade. And those were the base strategies in the ES NQ. Tick count trend NQ, short market reversed, and let's see what else. It's always easier to do these on the day of. Tick pulse down minus 625 on the day. Cobra 3 evening NASDAQ minus 625. The short trade just wouldn't follow through as it continues to struggle. It continues to be difficult to short this market. If it's down, you'd have to catch it at a high point, which is hard to do. So Beta B, VSD NQ, trying to capture these long trades. The market struggles to break out on the upside. Just stopped out on that trade, so struggles to break out on the upside, but does not want, but wants to prop it up from making sure it does not go down. And so, kind of in this range-bound market of keeping prices at highs without a lot of buyers driving it any higher, just keeping it at the highs, buying those dips to keep it at the highs but not pushing it through. So EVP1 captured, it was a bit of a choppy day yesterday, down day, with that gap continuation reversals, always challenging. Stopped out on the long side and then profitable on the long side here. Today it's lost on the short side. Well, now you see the market selling off a little bit. And so will we get a Santa Claus crash? Would not be surprised this year. 2020 is an unusual year, and so looking for a Santa Claus crash potentially. 60-minute breakout. B version had a mix of long trades that lost and a mix of long trades that were profitable. Lost there, profitable there, lost there, profitable there, long again. Again, you can see this desire to keep the market at highs without pushing it through to new highs. So it came up and made new all-time highs, took out these old highs right here a little bit, and then the market just wants to maintain its status level of being at all-time highs as we go into the end of the year. RBOB, no trades. That's the old and optional workspaces that you get with the all strategy access. And crude oil, no trades the last couple of days. Crude oil is higher, approaching $50. Cobra Euro profitable yesterday, down today, plus 888. Gold yesterday hit a profit target on Asia 4 longs. That was a $1,500 profit target. Most of that was on Friday, so Sunday night it got in a little bit more, a little bit of profit there. Actually, it got 1675. It was actually down on the day, or down on the trade at the close on Friday, and then actually captured more than the profit target because it was down on Friday. So this is the daily P&L. So if something has a $1,500 profit target and it's down $200 at the close, and then it hits the profit target the next day, if the profit target is $1,500, the daily P&L is $1,700 because it was minus $200 on this day and then plus $1,700 on that day. And then Asia 4 gold had two losses on the short side, minus 1,050. Cobra Gold had a loss yesterday on the short side, minus 625. Short again today. And let's look at natural gas. No trades in natural gas. Silver, mix of trades yesterday and today, lost here on SR counter trend 2, V2M, 1M. And then you see three trades here. Yesterday's trade was minus 825. Today's trade was profitable. Yesterday's trade here was profitable, plus 475. A loss here, minus 825. And all strategy for soybeans, got short here, stopped out. Hard to short soybeans right now. SR counter trend 2, long today. No trades yesterday. Kind of mixing in yesterday's trades with today's trades. We'll have another video for today's trades. But these are the trades last couple of days and mainly the daily trading system signals for Monday, December the 21st. It was a choppy day, down for the most part, with the additional chop in the indexes based on a new strain of coronavirus coming out. Could come out, and you see the gap continue in reverse pattern that we see here, and then the market. This is mean reversion, natural technical mean reversion on fundamental news, and then now it looks like it may roll over into Christmas. We will see. It's just been propped up and pushed up so far that it's hard for it to go higher at this point, I would think. But we shall see. We've had the stimulus bill pass, the coronavirus vaccination starting, and so kind of bad timing for a Santa Claus rally because technically the price is at all-time highs, and we have a sell on the news scenario where the stimulus bill, with the market's been waiting for, and the vaccines the market's been waiting for, so we have this potential sell in the news while it's at all-time high. So we will see how this plays out as we go into the end of the year.